Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage, Keynsham today. Christmas is coming, so we found some Christmas items. I say we because my wife was with me, which was unusual, and she spotted them. I wouldn't have even been looking. So what have we got? We got a nice little metal Christmas decoration to hang on your tree. My wife particularly liked that, so we had to have that one. That was only £1. Yeah, it's metal. It's not a bell, but it's made from metal. It's just a particularly pretty one. So that's hers. Then this one I think will end up being my daughter's. That was also £1, but she particularly likes these sort of animated items. So what do you think it does? It's got a button there, batteries in there. Can't quite read who it's made by. Sport. Hang on. Sport Swift Limited. Alright, okay, well, let's have a look. Press the button. I'll turn the light out. It's a Persistence of Vision toy. With pretty coloured lights. That's brilliant. She'll love that. I like it a lot. I like Persistence of Vision toys with the flashing LEDs. But this one's got the bonus of it's got little styrofoam balls in there, so they've got a proper little snowstorm going on. Does it stop? Or do I have to press the button again? Ah yeah, so press it once for it to go, and once for it to stop. I love that. That is brilliant. Made in China. 3 AAA batteries that takes, which were already in there, so I haven't had to put any batteries in it. And then finally, this thing, £2, but again I had to buy it because it's a music box and I like music boxes. What I haven't figured out yet is whether the top comes off. So it's supposed to be a let's have a look. Scottish shortbread. And I should think they're supposed to be under the top here, but that seems a bit precarious to get that off. Ah, there we go. Yeah, so that's where your shortbread would be, in there. And then this bit is your music box. I don't know if we can get the bottom off and have a look at the music box without damaging it. Got my favourite tool. Well, one of my favourite tools. There we are. So, just an ordinary standard music box inside that you wind up by turning it. Interesting, it's got a couple of notes there out of, well, not in the original music track, so I wonder if that's get round copyright. We'll find out if I get a strike on it, won't we? So put that back on top. Yeah, beautiful. So there you go, that's my charity shop Christmas shopping. Job done.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.